Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 26, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Futures are trading higher by about 2.25 points right now to 2089.5 per contract. So all in all, we do got another rising market, but it's not very high today. Markets have had a tremendous rally over the last couple of sessions, and we'll see how today plays out. All in all, when you look at this market move, though, it's been on very, very light volume, which is just telling us that the institutional sponsorship is limited here. So, again, markets are moving high, and we want to respect it, but the volume has been very, very light, and this is the last trading week before the Memorial Day holiday. So, I think traders should expect a little bit of a lighter tape today and tomorrow. All right, let's see what we got here on the charts. We're going to take a look at some stocks that are in the news. Costco is up first. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is trading at $148. Closed at $144.54 yesterday. Nice pop for Costco. When I look at this equity right off the bat, I have to think that the next big resistance level is going to be around the 150 area, possibly even 152 or 153. So again, if you own Costco, trail your stop loss. This can go a little bit higher. And again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. We'll see if we get a pattern on the charts, and we'll see if it is playable. Next up on our radar is going to be HPQ. This is Hewlett Packard. And again, remember, they spun off into two separate companies. So this is HPQ. And right now, this is trading at $12.26, basically right where it closed. So no real action here. If the stock does rally by some chance, $13.27 is probably max upside for today. And that would be a level I would consider selling on the short. Let's fast forward now to NTAP. NTAP is the ticker symbol here. And what you're going to see for NetApp is, let's get that right. There we go. Stock is getting sold off pretty sharply. It closed at $25.52. Today it's trading at $23.64. So this is a pretty good decline. I don't see any upside in this name. And if it gets down to around 21.25, we consider looking at that for a play. But until then, there's really not much we want to do with this one. It is trading lower this morning. Let's take a look at PVH. And what you're going to see here is that this is trading at $96. Closed at $89.83. So this is a great pop-up. And again, this stock could have more upside in the cards. There is going to be a lot of resistance at $100.50. So we'll see how it plays out. This is generally a light volume stock. And what I mean by that is on most of its days, it doesn't really trade a million shares. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. But a lot of days it won't trade even a million shares. So this sometimes can overshoot levels a little bit. And I think traders just need to be aware of that going forward. We'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. And if you want to trade this and other equities alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Get to see everything that we're doing. We had another good day yesterday. Let's take a look at DG, which is Dollar General. Stock right now is trading up decently. Closed at $84. Trading at $79.10. This is a little bit overbought now, so I'd be careful here. If you own it, I would trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would leave it alone. There's no reason to jump in on this one. It's way too high on the chart. Let's take a look at Dollar Tree, DLTR. Stock is trading at $84.75. Closed at $78.36. This is another great pop. I'm going to give the upside bias to this to $86. It gets there, though. That's where it should be running out of steam. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at Williams-Sonoma. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at $54.25. Closed at $52.10. So decent little uptick there. A lot of resistance here around $54.50. But this is definitely a stock sometimes that can overshoot levels, so you want to be a little bit careful, but it will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. But this one is in play. Let's take a look at GES. GES is the ticker symbol here. I believe they had earnings, but I'm not seeing any major move here, so we'll look at this one after the market opens today. Let's take a look at Abercrombie & Fitch. ANF is the ticker symbol here. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at 25, closed at 25.08, trading at 22.30. So this is a pretty good sell-off. There is some support around 22. We'll look at it there, but again, I don't love this one. This is a stock that's a little bit on the weaker side. Let me see what else we could find here quickly. Yep. So if we lose the 22 handle, this can go all the way down to 1975. I do like 1975 as a bounce level, so keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Lionsgate Film. Ticker symbol is LGF. And what you're going to see here is stock is getting a nice little pop. Closed at 1976. Now trading at $22.13. So good little uptick. I'm not sure there's a whole lot of upside from here, but nice little pop for Lionsgate this morning. Let's take a look at NFLX. I did not see the news on this. Stock is catching a big bid. It closed at $100.20, now trading at $104.30. Netflix is now overbought, has good resistance at $104.60, which is the 200-day moving average. So, again, keep that on the radar. If you own Netflix, start trailing your stop. You don't have to get out right away. Just trail your stop loss, but this is now entered overbought conditions on the daily chart. So we'll see where that plays out. Gold today is trading higher by $4.70, and then you have crude oil trading higher by 55 cents to $50.11 a barrel on July crude. So again, crude oil did get to the $50 marker now. We'll see how much more it has left in the tank. I would say it doesn't have much, but again, let the market tell us what to do. All right, everyone. With that being said, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts. Remember, want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, have a great trading session.